Hey, Ford Fusion 2016. After fixing the ignition, and we're gonna make a new key for the customer, a second key, because the customer has already one key working on the vehicle. So we're gonna do the programming process right now. Add the key. So we have to turn the ignition to on position. This process is gonna take about 3 minutes to complete, so I'm gonna pause the video and I'll show you guys later. Okay, it's almost 3 minutes now. Let's see, 92%. Switch ignition off and then on. So communicating. And when you hear the beeps or the security locks working, the program is success. That's all you have to do for a Ford Fusion 2016. Thank you guys.